So you might be in a random situation where for some reason iOS 26.6.1 is just not installing. Maybe you're clicking on the Update Now button, maybe you're typing in a bunch of stuff, but nothing is working. Number one, as always, make sure you have a proper Wi-Fi connection and or internet connection set up. That's going to be the number one issue. So go inside of your Wi-Fi connection, go inside of your internet connection, and just go through and make sure there's no issues there. A majority of the time, that's probably going to be the problem. So just go and make sure that's set up. That's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. On top of that, make sure there's no storage issues you have inside of this update either. So on your iPhone, scroll down to your general settings that you have over here, go down to iPhone storage, and just make sure you have enough storage saved on your iPhone. This is probably going to be another one of those things that's going to be probably the make it or break it for a lot of people. Just going through making sure you have enough storage saved on your device is another really important thing I'd make sure that you kind of have as well. Now, if you've downloaded the update and for some reason it's still not installing, you can always try finding that update in the iPhone storage panel here and try going through and try actually kind of, updating your iPhone by deleting the update. So I delete the update and then try re-downloading the update as well. If that's still not working, you can also try restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone, try powering it off, try seeing if that ends up fixing it. Hopefully a majority of the time it will end up fixing it and that will end up fixing the problem for you. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.